Hello guys, I just thought I'd bring you to this lovely little place here. It's a very little gem really, I think it is, because it's got so much stuff in it. I haven't found one like this for a long time. So let's get on with the hunting and the showing and the exploring and all that jazz. So let's get on with it then guys, eh? Right. This looks like the kitchen area. One would say. This is an old hippie place where the hippies used to come and work on this farm. So there isn't very little information about this place. I know it's been here for a long time. I just wanted to show you this. I put my bag there, that's my bag and stuff. Just chilling out, as it feels nice in here then. So, I thought I'd take you around. It's only little, it's only small, it's just a lovely place around the middle of the country. Quiet, very little phone signal. This is the bedroom. It's still got a mattress in. But this little treat, I'll probably stick it on TikTok and YouTube. If you want to follow more, if you want to see more of this sort of thing, please like and subscribe and follow. Because I intend to do more. It's very overgrown here. It's very hard to see this little community what's here. There's a toilet. Shall we have a look in the drawers? Let's have a gander in this drawer, eh? Look at all these. It's like a shiv. Yeah. It's like a tool thing when you can. It's like a man thing, isn't it? Let's have a look. Let's have a look in here. Oh, what's this? A blue toilet for the toilet. The chemical toilet. Hello, guys. Oh, look at that. That's a noise, isn't it? Cute. Another little mirror. Some Avon spray. So people wear here recently-ish. So, been in there. So let's go back into the kitchen. I'll just take you around a bit. And then I just wanted to show you something in a minute, guys. And it's just very interesting. There's an old bowl under there. It's like a fruit bowl. This is a whole fruit bowl, that is. I like to have a good nosy. Oh, let's have a look in this cupboard, eh? Try to make the most of the video. There's not much in there. It's a mouse killer. Shows you we're growing food around here. There's nothing in there, I don't think. Nothing in that one. Some tray in there. Anything in there, guys? I can't see. Doesn't look like it. There. Shut them up. So I've got butchers in here. Oh yes, there's some cleaning stuff and some soap. There's a bag and another bag. Yeah. So if you like this sort of thing, guys, just keep following me and liking and supporting me if you don't mind. And I can do more of this sort of stuff. I'll do some more medium stuff and channeling stuff if you like that sort of thing, guys. But I don't know if you don't let me know. I know these places feels nice here. It does feel nice in this little house abode. I don't know what to say. But look at this, guys. It's very interesting. I found this very interesting. It's about E-numbers and additives in food and dangerous E-numbers and what they do. I don't know if you can screenshot that, guys, and because it's very interesting, as you can see. E100 harmless, and you got E122 suspicious, and you got E123 very dangerous, and you got E131 cancerous, and it goes on really, guys. If you want to screenshot this, feel free, guys. But I don't know if this is any good because it's look at the date on it, guys. Can you see that date? January 1st, 1977. So maybe these are not in use anymore. I don't know, guys. But it's very interesting anyway. I thought. Now let's close that up. You never know what you can find in these little places like this. As they're old. Is there anything up there, guys? I can't see. Anything up top of that one? Let me know if there is. Ooh, bit on level there. As you can see, it's a fireplace. And you've got a little candle. You could happily stay here if you needed to in emergency. That's my water, and that's my bag, my camera equipment. There's my jacket, just chilling. But anyway, guys, if you like this sort of thing, please like and subscribe and all that jazz. I'll take you around a few more in a minute. I'll just cut this film and